Have you been annoyed by the Microsoft DirectX Direct3DX module DLL pop-up ruining your productivity? I'm Sophie Chen, a Windows support specialist. Let's analyze Microsoft DirectX dependency and restore that missing file. To start the walkthrough for Microsoft DirectX Direct3DX module, you can follow my technical guide or use a utility designed to optimize your system configuration. This is the Microsoft DirectX Direct3DX module, a non-standard naming convention for the Direct3D Extension library, D3DX, frequently found in localized game, wrappers, or modded launchers. It manages the hardware-accelerated rendering of 3D shaders and localized sprite logic. If missing, retro games will report a D3DX initialization failure or crash during the initial graphics driver handshake. Now that you have the context, let's move into the repair process with a fresh installation. If Microsoft DirectX Direct3DX module DLL is preventing your software from launching, you likely need a graphics runtime refresh. Install the Microsoft DirectX end-user runtime to repair legacy DirectX files, and perform a GPU driver update to resolve any issues with hardware-accelerated or compute-based components. If the setup package didn't provide a resolution, we need to look under the hood at how your system handles current session configurations. A quick system restart is a practical way to ensure that all shared libraries, including Microsoft DirectX Direct3DX module, are being loaded correctly into the current session's memory. To keep this tutorial handy, make sure to bookmark it or hit like button before you reboot. It saves you from having to look for the video again once you're back online. Restarting is our first line of defense. Since that didn't clear it, we'll dive into more specific settings in step 3, and if you need to pause the video to catch up, go right ahead. Since the restart didn't stabilize your graphics files, let's manually refresh the multimedia layer by running the DirectX end-user runtime installer. This package targets the specific legacy binaries that modern games require to initialize their engines, and it will overwrite any corrupted version of your DLL file currently on your drive. Why are we doing this? Well, modern Windows installations skip these older files during setup, so running the standalone runtime ensures that the file is properly registered and available for your software. A quick professional note on security: sourcing components correctly is just as important as the fix itself. If you're attempting to install Microsoft DirectX Direct3DX module DLL yourself, be aware that manual file placement can lead to severe software conflicts and data corruption. Let's conclude by looking at how a system maintenance utility can help keep your performance optimized and your libraries synchronized. To help prevent background conflicts, the maintenance utility referenced below includes information related to Microsoft DirectX Direct3DX module synchronization. Thank you for watching. To continue receiving professional-grade solutions for Microsoft DirectX Direct3DX module and other PC errors, please subscribe to our support community.